This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marie Kennedy. Look no further. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 21 halves, 1-car garage. Spacious with open floor plan, kitchen has wood cabinets, breakfast bar and newer stainless appliances. Tile floors downstairs and wood laminate upstairs. Updated half bath downstairs, laundry closet with full-size washer and dryer. Wood fence surrounds a spacious deck, perfect for entertaining and playtime. No age limit. 2 parking spaces, guest parking for guest only. Association requires minimum of 650 credit score and maximum 6 occupants. No smokers or pets. Please submit contract to lease along with proof of income, credit report and application. R&amp, and condo application are attached. Please have tenants review prior to submitting contract. For more information, review the details below or contact Marie Kennedy at 954-369-0200.